How to transfer GTA 5 from PC to PS5. So the real question is, can you transfer your GTA 5 online account from PC to PS5? The short answer is no. You cannot directly transfer your GTA Online progress from PC to PS5. The provided response is misleading. While it mentions loading a save game and using the same Rockstar Social Club account, this only applies to transferring progress between platforms of the same family, such as PS4 to PS5 or Xbox One to Xbox Series. There is no cross platform progression system between PC and PlayStation consoles. So the core issue lies in the fundamental differences between PC and console ecosystem. PC utilizes a different save file structure and architecture compared to PlayStation. Rockstar Games has not implemented a cross-platform save transfer mechanism between these distinctly different systems. This is a common limitation for many online games. And that is how to transfer GTA 5 from PC to PS5.